Charlie. Hey! What'd you do? Buddy, you're tearing it up. You're demolising your house. What are you doing? What are you doing? We're gonna have to fix it. Can we fix it? Oh no. Oh no.